Good day. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Sir Madam. I am Jacqueline Vicabiles, a single mom, blessed with a 1-year-old boy, college level, taking up basic computer science, and currently residing at 178 Erlina Street, West Fairview, Quezon City.
Tell me about your working experience.
I work as a domestic helper to Miss Gina Guhayon for 2 years since 2007 and 2009.
As a domestic helper, what are your duties and responsibilities?
As a domestic helper, my duties and responsibilities is to do the household tasks and taking care of a baby.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, Madam, I know how to take care of a newborn baby by feeding milk every 3 to 4 hours, and then birth the baby after feeding, and then change the diaper, send the baby to sleep.
Can you sing a simple children's song?
Yes, Madam, I know how to sing a simple song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check the diaper if it is wet, or I'll check if the baby is hungry. But if the baby is still crying, then I will inform to my employer that their baby is crying for a long time already.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly person?
Yes, Madam, I am willing to take care of an elderly person since I have my grandfather. I take care of them like my special one by helping them to take their food and medicine.
How would you handle a naughty children?
I would handle naughty children by being friendly and playful with them so I could get their attention, and then I'll sing with them, teach them good manners and right conduct, reading books together and giving them love and care.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, Madam, I know how to cook a Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and many others. I also know how to cook Chinese food like stem fish, fried rice, noodles, soup, and I am very much willing to learn more.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, Madam. I know how to operate an electrical appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave oven, and others.
Most of the employers in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, Madam. I am very interested to learn Cantonese language so that I fully understand the employer, especially to the elders.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking care of baby. How could you handle this situation?
First, I will make sure that the employer's children are in safe place by putting them into the crib or by giving them some toys to play. Then I will continue doing my works.
In case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes, or you found something while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back to my employer, Mom.
What if during your day off, then your employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitors? What will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve the employer together with their visitors.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of a high salary given to the domestic helper, to which I can help and support my family to provide their needs in financial matters.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, Madam, if you will give me the opportunity to work as your helper, I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, and trustworthy. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract without causing any problem. Thank you, sir, Madam, and God bless.